McKee came into limelight after participating in the singing reality show The Voice 22, which aired on NBC. She brought her talents to the stage to see if any of the judges' chairs turned to greet her during her audition. Cara is from Rhode Island and is a Northeast girl. She loves to grab her guitar and get to singing just like you see in this video below where she covers Neil Young's Harvest Moon. Listen to her for yourself. She is actually connected to some important people politically. She is the daughter of Governor McKee of Rhode Island. Governor McKee is married to Susan and together they have 2 children, Matthew and Cara. She sang the national anthem of his inauguration in March 2021. She teaches at the West Side Yoga Studio in Providence, Rhode Island. Since 2016, she has also been a member of the family band Rosemary Road with sisters Carson and Emery Bruck. Cara is their cousin. Cara is part of a group known as Rosemary Road with 2 other women. They were also involved in a cappella groups in high school. Cara performed a cappella in college as well. She is now working on their debut album and they have released 2 singles from the project, Winter Coat in 2021 and January Song earlier this year. Cara's professional background is in corporate America, but her heart has always been in music. Cara